just a few steps, I would like to show you how you can exclude a contact or some contact from seeing your profile picture in GB WhatsApp. First thing first, get into the GB WhatsApp app. Ensure that the white bar is under the chat section. Click the upper right three-dotted icon. Move to the settings. Scroll to where we have privacy and click the option. Then move to where we have profile photo. Come to profile photo and click my contact exempt. So the contact which you exempt will be unable to see your profile photo. So you can choose either one or many of them. Let's say I have excluded Airtel. I don't want to exclude that other contact. You can click multiple contact which you like to exclude your profile picture and click OK. So the WhatsApp show me that I have 6 contacts which I have exempted from seeing my profile picture. I can also show you how you can also be able simply to remove them from the default option of not showing your profile picture to them. And also you can set up for just one contact not to show your profile picture, so the privacy that one contact have been excluded from seeing your profile picture. I don't want anybody not to see my profile picture, so in my case I will just remove. You can set all the contact not to show your profile picture by clicking the bar icon with a tick in the upper right hand side corner of the GB WhatsApp. Click it. You can also set up using this one. So I discard the option. I think you have been get help on how you can exclude some contact from seeing your DP or your profile picture. Kindly, if you get this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and also a subscription so that you will not miss out any of my future content like this. Thank you.